7 trading resources. 1. Financial news. Stay ahead of the markets by learning all the updates. These might be your daily trading tips. 2. Economic calendar. Markets tend to fluctuate when important economic events take place. Keep an eye out. 3. Educational websites. Want to excel on your trading? Educate yourself. Visit FX Education for the ins and outs of trading. 4. Books. If you like reading, then books is a good resource to acquire the theoretical knowledge needed. 5. Webinars. Bored of reading? Attend webinars of trading experts and follow their lead. 6. Mentors. A person with fundamental knowledge of trading can assist you in understanding the markets better. 7. Demo account. Opening a demo account will offer you the whole experience of trading by practicing with virtual funds. Learn with myfxchoice.com.